So, Merry Christmas to one and all. No? I believe you had a beautiful 2025, especially among yourselves. You're very busy because an election has happened, 2025 election, so all of you are very, very busy, but by 2026, there's going to be another election coming. But this is going to be the barangay election, which is going to be November 2, 2026. But nevertheless, as I talk about it, I mentioned about it because of your being very busy. But I also would like to thank some of you who has been really with me all the time since I became a mayor. You were there to interview me and let the people know what you're doing here in Dumaguete since July 1 up to today. So for that, daghang salamat. And above all, I hope we will continue being together and the press will be really at the center. You will not take sides. No? All what is important is you make comments on what you see and what you believe is best for the city of Dumaguete and for everyone, and even for the province, thanks for the whole country. Because this is our only country we have, and this is the country that we really love most. But anyway, talking about this beautiful building, I was asking for the keys because I promised earlier here that I would fix the one inside for you to use, because I see you do not use it every day. Very rarely, every day I come here, very rarely I see this door open and you use it. So they all go, it will be much better now that I will going to refurbish it and make it beautiful for you to use it, for you to serve you, to be able to serve you. Because this building has been here for how many years?
20
years, and it would be much better if all of you can make use of this building. I was asking for the key from Joy. Hello, Joy. I need the keys because I have to go in. I need the keys because, as I promised, it's fully painted on the outside.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
But this time, being in January, I had the budget to paint inside and to whatever is needed, i-aircon na ito na, nanay kwarta na ito.
Thank you. Thank you.
Illegal entry ko eh.
Thank you.
Diba? Ito kung illegal entry eh. So ako lang, once I have the case, it's going to be in the mayor's office. If you need it anytime, you can get it. Because with all intents and purposes, this is owned by the city. So we will be the one to handle it. Anybody of you, I think only a note coming from the president or from the president emeritus, you are going to use it, just get it, return it, so we can keep on cleaning it. Upkeep in it. This is not for me, this is for all of you.
Thank you.
This is for all of you. This is for me, this is for all of you. And I promise you, I will make this the most beautiful place here in Dumaguete.
Thank you.
Karang attached ka building diha, karang hand blind, that's going to be demolished. That's going to be demolished. Limpyo kayo. Because I will put them down here. Ayan sila dire. Okay, na sila dire ang sanitary. At the toilets are here. The toilets are very clean. Did you notice it? And it's open 24 hours a day. And these two toilets now are open 24 hours a day. And if you're going to stay here, you have a beautiful toilet by yourself. Of course, I'm sure there's a toilet inside. Ako po nang ipayo kapag na to. Tiles, repainted. What is important that you have a home?
Thank you.
Not only a house, but you have a home. For you can enjoy, especially you can make use of your profession, and do the best for the betterment of our community. So again, kinakulugayon, kimaragman sa bitingog, sa kagugula. So again, Merry Christmas, and we will definitely have a wonderful 2026. Daghang salamat to my pastor.
Aksyon! Balita! Walay pugong-pugong mubulgar sa kamatuuran sa kanginan.